Hey Kipsters, happy Monday. Hope you had a wonderful weekend. Miss you so much and can't wait to see you soon. We are going to start CGI today with a brand new problem. This story is all about Ms. Catlett. Over the weekend, Ms. Catlett decided that she wanted to do some baking. She went to the store and she bought a bunch of eggs. She bought 4 cartons of eggs. And inside each carton, there were 6 eggs. Miss Catlett got home and she wanted to know how many eggs she had all together. Now, I'm going to take this down, read the story twice, and you are going to help me tell it. Ms. Catlett bought 4 cartons of eggs. Each carton had 6 eggs in it. How many eggs does she have in all? One more time. Ms. Catlett bought 4 cartons of eggs. Each carton had 6 eggs in it. How many eggs does she have? I'm going to cover it up. Your turn to tell it to me. All right. Let's see who remembers it. Your turn. Tell me that story. Great job, Kipsters. You were definitely listening to my story about Ms. Catlett and all the eggs she bought. Before we get started solving, I want you to think. Do you think that Ms. Catlett has more or less than 6 eggs? Do you think Ms. Catlett has more or less than 6 eggs? Show me on your fingers. Get ready. 3, 2, 1, show. Some saying more and some saying less. We are going to solve to figure it out. I'm going to uncover the problem, and just like always, you have 4 minutes. So you're going to make sure you have a pencil and paper. You're going to draw to show your work, label, and write a number sentence to make sure it's complete. If you think you're done early, solve again in another way to show your work. All right, Kipsters, 4 minutes about to be on the clock. Let me uncover this problem for you. And we can go ahead and get started. All right, Kipsters, 4 minutes. Go for it. I see lots of neat and organized work. Keep it up. Make sure to label all the parts of your problem. Don't forget a number sentence. Keep it up, Kipsters. Good work. Don't forget to label things. All right, Kipsters, just about a minute left. Make sure you're ready to help me solve. Keep it up. Less than 30 seconds. Get ready to help me out. All right, kiddos, I cannot wait for you to help me solve this problem. I'm going to show you two different ways that I solved. My cubes are going to be the same way, but I'm going to draw it a little bit differently. So when I was thinking about this, I was thinking to myself, Ms. Catlett bought 4 cartons of eggs. A carton is like a box. Okay, so she bought 4 cartons. And each carton had 6 eggs inside it. So I'm going to use my cubes to show that to myself. So I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I'm going to put these together. This is like 1 carton of eggs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 eggs together. This is like a second carton of eggs. That's 2 cartons. She bought 4. I have to keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here's her third carton of eggs. Is that enough? Nope, you're right. I need 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So now I have 1 carton of 6, a second carton of 6, a third carton of 6, and a fourth carton of 6. These groups of 6 represent the 4 cartons. Let me think about how I can draw this out to show it. All right. So I'm going to draw 4 boxes on my paper to represent the 4 cartons or boxes of eggs that she bought. Make sure you draw this with me. 1, 2, 3, 4. And I'm even going to label them. Carton 1, carton 2, carton 3, carton 4. This shows that she bought 4 cartons or boxes of eggs. Now, how many were in each carton? Show me on your fingers. You're right, there were 6 in each carton. So I'm going to draw 6 circles inside each carton to show. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's 1 carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's a second carton. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Third carton. 1 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now my drawing matches my cubes, but she wants to know how many she has in all. So I think that we should count as we go and keep track of it on the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Oh, okay. What number sentence could we write to represent this? 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. She bought 24 eggs in total. Nice job, Kipsters. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to use my cubes the same way, but I'm going to show you a way to change up the drawing a little bit to make it a little bit faster and more efficient. So I'm going to move my paper down without knocking my cubes over, hopefully. All right. There we go. So I'm going to keep these same cubes because she still has 4 cartons or boxes that each have 6 eggs in them. Group 1, Group 2, Group 3, Group 4. They each have 6. But this time I'm just going to draw it a little bit differently. I'm still going to draw my 4 boxes. Box number 1. Box number 2. Box number 3. Box number 4. But this time, instead of drawing 6 dots in each one, I'm going to write a number in each box. Any guesses of what number you think I'm going to write in each box? If you said 6, you're right. I'm going to write a 6 in each box because there are 6 eggs in each box. Let's do that. 6 eggs. 6 eggs, 6 eggs, 6 eggs. Nice. Now I need you to do that same thing though, and I need to count them up as I go. So I'm going to count 6 on my fingers each time, and then I'm going to stop. I don't need to count this one because I know it's just 6. So 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. That's another 6. One more 6. 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Whoa. When I put 6 in the box and counted on my fingers, I got the same thing. I got that answer of 24. We're going to write the same number sentence because it's the same thing. We're just adding 4 groups of 6 things. Let's write that number sentence. 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 equals 24. Nice job, Kipsters. That looks awesome. Okay, so 2 ways to solve that problem. I used my cubes the same way, but my picture was a little bit different to represent both times. I wonder, do you think this way or this way was more efficient? Point to the one that you think was more efficient. I agree. I think this one was a little more efficient. So I didn't have to draw out my dots every time, but they got me the same exact answer, so either one was okay. Just like always, before we go, I'm going to leave you with one more problem to solve on your own. This problem is about Ms. Schultz. Ms. Schultz bought 3 boxes of toys for Bobby. Each box has 5 toys in it. How many toys did she buy for Bobby? Challenge yourself to use one of the ways of drawing that I used on my poster when I made it with you. Can't wait to go over this with you tomorrow. Make sure that you pause it so you can write it down and solve it on your own. Great job today, Kipsters. See you tomorrow.